Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to disable direct messages on Instagram. So what it basically means is just disabling your DMs. So if you want to do that, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, you just have to tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. And after tapping on settings and privacy, now you have to tap on notifications, which is under how you use Instagram. After tapping on notifications, now you can find messages. You just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on those messages, it will take you to a page where you can see a bunch of options. And what you have to do is, after coming to this messages page, now you have to turn these all options off. After doing this, what it will do is, it will basically disable direct messages on Instagram. So this is how to disable direct messages on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.